What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Ahmed, and in this channel I do Doctor Who and Torchwood reactions 4 times a week, and today I'll be reacting to Doctor Who Season 3 Episode 12. Before we jump into the reaction, let's see what happened in the last video. Are you freaking kidding me? Now, clearly, I was pissed off that the episode ended. I was so involved and I was so focused in this episode. I was so into it that I literally forgot about time, and the thought of it being a two-parter never crossed my mind. So I was really into this episode, and it was really sad for me to see it end, and that's why I reacted the way I did. And then me not doing the review wasn't because I was pissed off, actually. Well, it kind of is, but also I usually review the two-parters at the end of the two-parter, not halfway through. So what I wanted to say is that I actually enjoyed the last episode. I love Doctor Who. I still love Doctor Who, for those who actually doubt it. I loved the episode, and I cannot wait to see this one. So with that out of the way, let's watch the episode. What the hell? Wait,
Time travel out of capsule. That's
how they're here? Wait, did I skip an episode?
Earth, 21st century by the looks of it.
This is 312, right?
That wasn't luck. That was me.
It is 312.
That's because you didn't have me.
Oh, so he made that work.
Moral
Oh,
is, if you're gonna get stuck at the end of the universe, get stuck with the next time.
that makes sense.
Vortex.
Wait.
Mr. Saxon
No.
has returned from the palace and is greeting the crowd
Wait, is it
in
Saxon?
Saxon headquarters.
That's him.
I said I knew that voice when he spoke inside the TARDIS.
Oh, that's right.
Hundreds of times I've seen
He
it.
is Saxon.
That was the voice of Harold Saxon.
That's him. He's Prime Minister.
Oh my God.
The Master is Prime Minister of Great Britain.
In fact, I'd go so far as to say that what this country really needs right now
He's a doctor.
is a doctor.
Oh my God. That doesn't... I got really confused at the beginning. I thought I really skipped an episode. Thankfully, they didn't spend all the time back there. I'm so glad to be back in the 21st century.
Letitia Jones.
Tish. Well then,
That's her sister. I just realized that's her
you
sister.
just stand there and look gorgeous.
I think that's her sister.
You ugly, fat-faced bunch of wet, sniveling traitors.
Okay. Hey. Easy.
But I know
He went in.
that wasn't funny.
I thought that was funny.
And right now, I'm not like,
He's quite a character.
because you are traitors.
Is he gonna... He's gonna kill them?
Excuse me, Prime Minister. Do you mind my asking, what is that?
Forget that.
He is
beg your
sick.
It's a gas mask.
He is crazy. That's some Dalek level shit. Yeah, he's crazy. He is crazy. That's what was the homeless guy doing. He is insane.
The headline's waiting to print. The power behind the throne.
She's good.
Really?
She's really
Famous First
good.
Lady.
Gosh.
Front page.
Oh.
No, it's only a profile piece. You know, hair and clothes.
She's shady.
And nonsense. There's a good girl. Out you go. That's it.
Shady.
You're in very great danger. All of us, in
Wait,
fact.
she's good?
Not just the country, but the whole world.
She's good?
No, I beg of you, hear me out.
What are you talking about?
I'm gonna
Your
hear you out.
husband is not who he says he is. I'm sorry. But it's a lie.
I'm sorry, I judged
Everything's
you
a
very
lie.
quickly.
But
I like her. She's good.
That's why I'm asking you.
I'm
Yes,
sorry I judged you.
I am begging you. If you have seen anything,
For better or for worse?
Oh, damn.
Isn't that right, Harry?
Oh my god. Oh damn.
My faithful companion.
Companion.
Saxon. Prime Minister, I was just.
Oh my god. It's like
Poor little Lucy. I didn't mean.
it's like the
You're
anti-doctor
absolutely right.
and the anti-companion.
And these are my friends.
Huh?
I'm sorry.
What's that?
The drum.
Please don't kill her.
The drums.
Please
coming
don't kill
closer
her.
And closer.
Oh my god. No, please. Don't kill her.
Dead lady.
She was nice.
I don't know, he always sounded good.
It's the
I could
it's the
trust him.
tap. It's the tap.
Just
Yeah.
nice. He spoke about,
Hypnosis.
I can't really remember, but it was good. I don't know, it's nothing, it's just,
It's like
I don't know.
Our Lord and Master is speaking to his kingdom.
And chemist. And lorry driver. And farmer.
and doctor.
Oh, I don't know, every
Doctor.
medical student.
Damn, he knows. Holy shit. How did he know that? Oh my god. That was quite fast thinking, man.
Martha! What are you doing? He knows about me, what about my
I
family?
would have never
Don't tell him
guessed.
anything.
Nah, she's compromised. We know that before.
Been anyone asking about me?
Yeah, we know that.
Martha, I think perhaps you should come
Nope.
round.
Yes! Just run!
Nice. He's a brave man. When it comes to his daughter, he would rather die. They will shoot you.
Identified.
They will shoot you.
Take aim.
Oh. Lucky. Very, very lucky.
You chose it. Psychiatrist field day.
As you chose yours. The man who makes people better.
Oh. So they
Saxon
choose the
knows his own.
names.
So, Prime Minister then?
I know.
So doctor, master, engineer,
Those creatures.
psychiatrist,
There's no such thing as the Toclophane, that's just a made-up name like the bogey.
And the Time Lords.
gone.
Dead. And the Daleks. More or less.
I don't think so.
What happened to you?
You must have been like God.
I've been alone ever
He's
since.
gonna repeat it.
But not anymore.
Is he gonna ignite a war?
Don't you see, all we've got is each other.
You're on TV.
Stop it! Answer me!
No, really, you're on telly. You and your little band. You're public enemy.
Can we see the rest of
2,
the
and
Torchwood
3.
gang?
Oh, and you can tell Handsome Jack that I've sent his little gang off on a wild goose chase to the Himalayas, so he won't be getting any help from them.
He just
Go
crushed
on,
my
off you
dream.
Go. Why not start by
My
turning to
crossover
the
dream.
Right.
Sax, you're weirdo. No offense against anyone who likes Teletubbies, but
There stood the citadel of the Time Lords.
the Citadel. Huh?
The oldest,
Whoa.
most mighty race in the universe.
Nice.
Looking down on the galaxies below.
It's like when you fancy someone and they don't even know you exist.
Okay.
You too, huh?
Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, 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 don't look at me. Oh no, oh no, please. There we go. Oh, Martha, Martha, don't do anything stupid.
Don't move.
Nice. Very handy. Are they inside a... Oh, okay.
Welcome to the Valiant.
I want the whole thing branded.
Well, he's crazy, so I'm thinking he's gonna kill them all.
What's he doing on the Valiant?
Finally. I missed the TARDIS, man. I don't miss this.
What's he done though?
Okay, they're dead. They're all gonna die on live TV.
Coleman Winters, President-elect of the United States of America.
Starting with you.
Ooh.
Kill him.
Oh damn! On live TV. It's gonna be Martha who does
It's
it.
the girly and the freak. Although I'm not
How
sure
did he?
which.
Oh
Laser
shit!
screwdriver. Who'd have Sonic? And the good thing is, he's not dead for long. I get to kill him again! Martha,
He knows.
just calm down. Just look at what you're doing. Just stop. I've got his hand. And if Lazarus made himself younger, what if I reverse it?
Oh my god. Yep, this is going into a third part. This is not ending this episode. Oh my god, look at him. Oh, don't kill them, you idiots.
I'm sorry.
That's all fine.
He's not gonna kill them, right?
Shall we decimate
So basically this is the Canary Wharf again
Nice word.
on a bigger scale.
Remove 1/10 of the population.
Oh my god. There you go. Good job. Good job. She's gonna come back. She's gonna come back.
I'm coming back.
Yes, she is. Okay. Oh my god, that was stressful. Oh. Obviously, this is going to be reversed somehow. Alright, so that was my reaction to Doctor Who Season 3, Episode 12. This is the second part of a three-parter. I think this is the first time we've had a three-parter. I really enjoyed this episode more than the last one. I will actually leave the review until I finish the whole arc or the whole story, just because it's easier this way for me and not to feel disconnected. I want to have the full picture of the story before I review any part of it. So overall, I'm not pissed off at the episode because I kind of expected a third part, and I really enjoyed it. I thought that was one of the best episodes in this season by far. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Torchwood and Doctor Who reactions like this one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.